What's up, everyone? Just got the call. My buddy wanted to go hit up Drano, so we're gonna head out and we're gonna see what we can do. We got our coon shrimp. We know prawn spinners have been working really well, so we do have some prawns also. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna jump in his truck here in a minute and we're gonna head on out.
Grab the net.
Is he already coming?
You can reel yours in.
Okay.
What is this?
On the prawn spinner.
Nope.
No?
360.
360 with what?
Oh,
He's gone.
it's gone. It fell off.
Oh. That was the prawn spinner, wasn't it?
Nope.
No?
No.
Damn. Dude, he was chomping on that thing. Quick little update. Mr. Daniel just lost his fish. But we're gonna make a couple more passes and see what happens. That was on a spinner with a 360 short bus. So let's see what happens here. Alrighty guys, we're gonna go ahead and rig this up here. So we're gonna go ahead and get out our VIP. Go ahead and slide that up the line there. Just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and grab our bead chain. Put it on just like that. Gonna go ahead and tie just an approved clench knot onto here. That all tied up there. See if I can pull this apart here. There we go. Thread it through there just like that. Pull it through. Throw it underneath just like that.
It's like 15 feet.
Pull it down. Just like this. Boom, we got that. Got our VIP down here.
I'm gonna turn that.
Just like that. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our bumper. We're gonna add it on just like that to our bead chain. Then and what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go ahead and grab our 360. I'm gonna be running a chartreuse. This is a short bust 360 flasher. All right, so now I have my 360. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my bumper here. Just like this, my little snap. Run my snap on there. On there just like that. I go ahead and add that to my bumper. Then what we're gonna do here is we are gonna use a Mexican hat, Brad's cut plug, and we're gonna put just the tail of a coon shrimp in there. Actually, this is a small coon shrimp, so I'm gonna take the head of the coon shrimp, throw that in there. Like that. Close it up. I'm gonna put my band back on there. So now I'm gonna connect this right here. onto my flasher. Gonna snap it, snap on my leader line to my cut plug, just like that. Go down here, grab a 10-ounce lead weight. Lead weight, and I'm gonna snap that onto my VIP, just like this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and run that down, grab my rod, just like that. And we are gonna be fishing. When I put it in the water, I'm gonna reel up, just make sure my 360 and everything's working good. And when it's in the water, just like about that, what I do is I take my line counter, I go ahead and zero it out so I know the exact feet, and I'm gonna go ahead and run it on down. And we're in 27 feet of water, so I'm gonna go ahead and run down to 22 feet. These fish are suspended right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them in, put the rod in the rod holder, and hopefully we can find ourselves a nice old fish. Pretty slow, didn't mark a whole lot of fish at all. Really not the best fishing up here right now. Could be good fishing tomorrow, who knows, it's hard to say. But there's a little update for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that bell notification down there so we can keep growing this channel. Thanks guys, peace.